Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of MyEther wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open MEW wallet application on your device. There is no direct logout button inside your MyEther wallet app. So in order to log out or achieve similar effects as logging out, you will need to force close your MyEther wallet app. Go ahead and drag from the bottom of your home screen on your device and push off the app card upwards. This will then force close your application. After you force close of MyEther wallet, tap on the application icon once again, and then you will be prompted to enter your PIN code for your wallet. Make sure you remember your PIN code for your wallet so that you can get access and log in back to your wallet once again. So that is how you can easily log out of MyEther wallet in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next tutorial video. Goodbye till then.